Hi, welcome to TS 24/7. Today we are going to discuss about exception handling in Java. Exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that normal flow of the application can be maintained. Now see what is exception. What is exception? Exception is nothing but an error that disturbs the normal flow of the program. That means in our program, if error exception rises, then our program will be terminated abnormally. To avoid this abnormal termination, we are using exception handling. The main theme of exception handling is to handle the errors, runtime errors. Let's see the errors. Errors like IO exception, SQL exception, and class not found exception. Etc. we have. And the main advantage of exception is to handle the errors. Let us see example. In a program, if there are one to five statements, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, and statement 4, and statement 5. In our program, if we have 5 statements, if the exception occurs here, then the remaining statements won't be executed and this program will be terminated abnormally. So due to this, we have to handle this exception by using exception handler. Now see the hierarchy of exception. See, the main object class is the main class, parent class for every class in Java. And in exception, and the next one is throwable. Throwable class is the parent class to all the classes in exception, and we have subclasses like exception and error. Exception, error. Here one is exception and the other one is error. And the next, in this exception, we have again 3 classes. The first one is runtime exception. And the next one is IO exception. And the last one is SQL exception. Here we have 3 exceptions in exception. And again in runtime exception, we have exceptions like arithmetic exception, and null pointer exception, number format exception, etc. we have. And coming to this error, errors like virtual machine, and assertion error. Etc. we have. Now see how many types of exception. Types of exception. There are mainly 2 types of exceptions: checked exception and unchecked exceptions. And the second one is unchecked exception. Here what is meant by checked exceptions? Exceptions which are compiled or which are checked at compile time. That means the exceptions which are checked at compile time, it's nothing but checked exceptions. Examples are file not found exception, IO exception, etc. Coming to unchecked exceptions. Exceptions which are not checked at compile time are nothing but unchecked exceptions, like arithmetic exceptions, null pointer exception, etc. And here we have fully checked and partially checked exceptions. Fully checked means the exceptions if and only if all the child classes also be checked. Let us take an example for fully checked. IO exception and SQL exception are come under fully checked. This throwable and exception will come under partially checked. Means here runtime